Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a face mask every single day this week. This background is really crusty, like I may as well just blur it out. But, so I got face masks sent to me by Masquerade. Recently I had spring break and my skin cleared up completely, like no blemishes here. I just started school again and I know I'm gonna break out, so in order to prevent that, I'm gonna use my handy dandy Masquerade masks. Yay! Alrighty, inside we have a little note. Facts. So first I have the Beauty Restore face mask. These are all sheet masks, which I love. That's it. Now onto the video. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. There's mascara under my eyes, obviously. I have to go in the bathroom and do my skincare first, and then I'm gonna put on a mask. I think I'm going to do the Nourish and Relax because today was my first day back at school. It's Monday, and I just need to like relax my skin and nourish it and get away all the gross stuff. So let's go in the bathroom and do this. Okay, so I just finished doing my skincare and everything, and now I'm going to do the mask. Oh my god, it smells like lavender. Hot. But it says to put it on for 10 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna do 15 minutes and then come back with you guys. But I will say that right off the bat, it's super hydrating, I guess, and like I love how it smells, the lavender, and it kind of smells minty almost. Okay, so the timer just went off. My mask is done, so I'm going to take it off. I would say that this mask works. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It smells amazing, and it works, so. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of doing a face mask every day for a week, and I don't really know what one I want to do today. I think I'm gonna do firm and soften lines. So here's the face mask I'm going to be using today. It's made out of chamomile, collagen, and argan oil. This smells like straight up lotion. Now I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes and come back. Alright, so it has been far past 15 minutes and I'm going to take this off. It was kind of like falling off my chin a lot. See the big face reveal? It looks psychotic. My forehead specifically feels so smooth. My chin feels the same. Probably a 10 out of 10 because it made my face super soft. Hey guys, so today is day 3 of this challenge. These braids are not it, but when are they ever? They're always crusty, so. Today's face mask is going to be the Pre-Party Prep Brighten and Prime. This is made with orange peel oil, rice, and tomato. Oh, okay, that's interesting. I don't know how I feel about tomatoes. Looks like I'm gonna hate them, but I'm not eating this, so I don't really care. Why do I look emo? I look like Roderick right now. God, my sneezes are so gross. I hate it. Yesterday, I got some of this in my eye. Don't do that. It burns. See you guys in 15 minutes. By the way, I'm gonna be wearing my same shirt in this entire video pretty much because I literally don't care. So if you think that's gross, you can kind of like fight me. This one's not working out. It's like a little bit too moist. Okay, so I'm done with my face mask. To be honest, this one was not my favorite. It didn't really stay on my face that well, number one, and then it's just like, my skin looks kind of dull. It's supposed to like brighten it, but it made it kind of dull. I would say this one is 5 out of 10 because it didn't stick and it didn't really do much, but it did smell good. I will see you guys for day 4 tomorrow. Hey guys, so welcome to day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 out of 5 of this challenge. By the way, I'm only doing this for 5 days because I'm kind of lazy. Here are the face mask options I have. I could do Diva Detox, Pre-Party Prep, Beauty Restore, or another Detox Diva. So I think I'm gonna do a Detox Diva because I have not done that yet. And I have a softball game today, as usual. I have one like every day. And my skin, there was just like a lot of like dust and just pollen, like gross stuff. So I think that this is supposed to exfoliate and detoxify. So this would be nice because I'm disgusting right now. I'm not gross. I just wear this shirt. It's not gross, I promise. I really enjoy this shirt. It's okay. So my face mask is on. There's me. Hey. I'm gonna set the timer and then come back when I'm done. I'm done with my mask. I just can't wait to go to bed. I'm also trying to decide if I want to have a sweet 16 or not. My skin feels very clean. I developed a few pimples overnight, so hopefully those go away. I would give this mask an 8 out of 10. It's not my favorite, but it's not awful. Hey guys, so it's 6 days later. Your girl forgot about this thing called filming a YouTube video. My skin was so good while I was doing those face masks. And then it just like, I stopped because I like wasn't home, so I like didn't bring the face mask where I was sleeping. I had many options. I could, 1, end this video here. 2, do one more night and call this like a week, because it technically is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like a week. Or I could continue and do 7 days. But see, the thing is, that's not gonna work with my schedule. So, I'm only gonna do 5 days, and I'm sorry to Masquerade. I told them I would do 7, but like, the thing is, like, I can't. So, today's gonna be the 5th day. It's the last one. There's a scary bug in my room, and I didn't do homework in my room, so I left my room for like 2 hours, and I came back and I don't know where it is, and I'm a little terrified because it's flying and it's gonna attack me when I turn on my laptop in the dark because bugs like the light. Plot twist. My skin needs to be exfoliated and detoxified because it's getting crusty again. So I'm gonna do Diva Detox. Maybe I'll like it this time. You know, second time's a charm, whatever the people say. So I'm gonna head in the bathroom and we'll do this.